Chris, it's nice to meet you. I'm Daryl. I do some rants and raves and battery safety and mod comparisons on YouTube. I'm nobody special, but what I love to do is get around different shops and different events, CloudCon, stuff like that. Show people what fun is going on in vaping. And it's really nice to meet you, man. This is Bird Brain, new flavor from Cuttwood. Tell me about this. What's this taste like?
Bird Brain's your favorite cereal. Your favorite cereal. Now, there's been a lot of cereal flavors lately on the market. What makes this one different is you get a lot of cereal, you get a lot of milk, cream with that cereal, but not a whole lot of flavors have been really true to the cereal. If you go and buy a brand new box of cereal at the store, open it up, you kind of get that powdered sugar taste on your lips that kind of pops out when you open it.
Right.
And then you take a raw handful. That's exactly what Bird Brain is.
That's what this is?
That's exactly what that is.
All right.
How does Monster Melon do in Florida? You will be working with Chris Tucker here. I think it's like
Oh, damn. Wow.
What you think about that?
That's different.
We just unveiled it today. This one's actually a higher VG blend than what we normally do. Most of our other juices are a 70-30. Boss Reserve is a 65-35. I believe this one is an 80-20.
Okay.
So we went a little bit higher on it. Great clouds, great flavor. Kind of give you Cuttwood's take on cereal.
I gotta hit that on my, I gotta do justice to it. It's phenomenal, man.
But it is good though.
Yeah, I got a re-wick, I know.
Coming prepared, man. I like it.
Love it? Yeah, actually,
0.15. Okay.
0.15. That's the other thing that we unveiled this weekend. We have normally 0, 3, 6, 12, 18. We just introduced the 1.5, so it's right in between the 0 and the 3.
Love
For the
it.
people who are trying to still cut down even more, there you go.
I'm right there, actually.
There you go.
It's getting to where like 3 is even getting a bit much.
Exactly.
But I love it. This is fantastic. Yeah, that's different.
What are you picking up in that juice?
It's not giving me that citrus hit that assaults you.
Exactly.
When you hit cereal flavors, it's giving me a nice sugar. I still get the fruit. I get more fruit.
That powdered sugar taste was real key for us. This juice has been in development for about 6 months. You know, and what we saw was a lot of the cereal type juices. They had a lot of that citrus in there, and we wanted to kind of tone it down a little bit and catch exactly what you just said.
Thank you very much. I usually end up closing off the airflow halfway just to cut down on the citrus. That's awesome, man. Another home run from Cuttwood.
I love it, man. I love it. Thanks for the support, brother.
Yeah, man. Thanks for doing what you guys do. All your juices are just like home run right out of the ballpark. I love it.
We appreciate you.